Today I will be working on fixing a leak in an in-ground pool main drain around a suction line. The tools I will be using is a shop vac with an extension cord. The product I will use to seal the hole is called cement all. I will also be using a sub pump with a hose. You may or may not need one. The pool that I came to work on had a seal coat on it previously, but the people who put it on were unable to finish it around the main drain. This was due to underground water coming in and pushing its way up through the main drain. After I drained all the water down to the main drain, I used my shop vac to get any water remaining. Upon investigation, I found that there was water rushing in, not from the main drain suction pipe, but from around the pipe. This is due, in Florida especially, to the water in the ground. The pool is a shell pushing into the ground, and there is the water table that's pushing water back up against the pool. Because this pool is drained, the water is pushing in through this hole. The way I'm going to fix this is by using this cement all. It is very fine, and I'm going to mix it by hand in this bucket. I'll take a little bit of the mixture. If I get some on the floor, I'll just go ahead and use the water from the main drain to clean it off. You've noticed that the water was pushing out very forcefully. So I will let the main drain fill up with water so that the water is balanced and not forcefully pushing out of the hole. This is so I can use the product and it will not push out of the hole when I pack it in. I'll work the product for about 10 minutes or so until it starts to harden up. When it becomes time to apply the cured product, I want it to be of a thick clay consistency. When the product gets to this point, it is very warm, and I get about 45 seconds to a minute and a half to work with the product until it fully cures. The great thing about this product is that it does cure underwater. You are not able to see what I'm doing here, so I'll tell you. I'm taking the product and packing it into the hole that we saw earlier. Because the water is not rushing out, I'm able to pack the hole very tightly with this product. You'll also see that I had about a minute and a half to do that. Now I'll drain the water and see what my progress is with this leak. Looking back into the hole, I can see that I got the leak from around the pipe to stop, but now there's some water running from behind my patch coming in back through the main drain. So I will need to seal up that hole just behind that patch I made. I'll take some more of my cement all and mix it up. Again, this takes about 10 minutes to get to this consistency. You can't see very well, but I'll try to show while I pack this product into the hole that the water was rushing out of, and you can see that I let the water rise up again so that it's not rushing out of the hole. And after about a minute or so, the product is completely cured. Now I'll use my shop vac again to drain out the main drain. And as you can see, the leak has stopped. The cement all has completely sealed the hole. And we're ready for the seal coat on the pool. I will use a little bit more of this cement all powder, and I'll throw it into the main drain, and I'll toss it around so that it touches all the wet spots, and I'll mix a little bit of water in. The reason I'm doing this is to seal all the exposed concrete in this main drain, and also to reinforce the patch I just made. After I have a nice coat all over the inside of the main drain, I'm done with this project. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.